This is on our Magic 5 Lite, and today I would like to show how you can set up and use the nearby share feature on this device. So to start, I recommend that you enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Then amongst the available control panel shortcuts or tiles, find the icon that says nearby share, then hold your finger at it. Onwards, turn it on by toggling this switch. From here, you can rename your device if you want to. Then you can manage your device visibility and change the data mode that will be used for the file transfer. Now once everything is set up and ready to be used, let's quickly test this feature out. So I will try to take a screenshot and then send it through the nearby share. So as you can clearly see, the image or the picture was sent and received successfully. So that will be pretty much it. Thanks for watching and bye bye.